I gone ahead and decided to also use a few more of my dry, bigger flake oreganos. Since I have it, I'm going to use a little bit more oregano in there and just sprinkle it like that in there. Oregano is really a key ingredient in this recipe, so we want to use plenty of it, okay? So let's go ahead and go on to the tomato sauce. Let's place tomato sauce in there, a full can. We're going to open it up, get it ready. I'm going to also place a little water in the can, so let me show you what I do. Let's place the can in here first. And since I want to use all of it, like all a little bit in there, we're going to place a little bit of water in here. Just a drop. Shake it up. And put the rest in there like that. Okay? Just like that. Now let's go ahead and go on to the salt. I like to place it in my hand to look and measure. When it comes to this recipe, I place about that much, maybe a little bit more. Sea salt is best. Let's go ahead and stir it in there.